Bristol, located in the vibrant southwest of England, is a city that seamlessly blends its rich maritime heritage with modern creativity and innovation. At its heart lies the historic Bristol Harbour, a picturesque waterway lined with historic ships, museums, and lively waterfront bars and restaurants. Here, you can explore the iconic SS Great Britain, a marvel of Victorian engineering, or dive into maritime history at the Shed Museum. Bristol's connection to the arts runs deep. The city is the hometown of the world-renowned street artist, Banksy, and is a hub for artistic expression. You can discover street art masterpieces adorning its streets, visit contemporary art galleries like Arnolfini, and catch live music at venues like the O2 Academy. For those with a love of aviation, the Aerospace Bristol Museum celebrates the city's aviation heritage and is home to the last Concorde ever to fly. Bristol's food scene is a treat for the senses, with a thriving food market at St. Nicholas Market, offering culinary delights from around the world. The city's culinary innovation is evident in its Michelin-starred restaurants and cozy, independent cafes. The city's commitment to sustainability and green living is reflected in its numerous parks and green spaces, including the beautiful Ashton Court estate. Bristol's welcoming atmosphere and diverse culture make it a place where history meets contemporary living, and where creativity thrives. It's a city that offers a tapestry of experiences, inviting visitors to explore its maritime past, artistic present, and promising future.